finish with metal flake in it, and I sprayed it right there behind the muffler. You see it? Right there at the bottom's kind of purplish.
Oh, I do see that.
And I sprayed it on top of the door there. And so I just wanted to see what it would do.
The sun's shining on it, and I do see that. It looks purple.
Yeah, and so, but that's what the paint originally looked like. So if it had a fresh paint job from the factory, that's what it would look like. When the light hits it, it has golds, purples, and blues, and stuff like that. And so I just wanted to see what it would look like.
Oh.
Maybe this summer I'll start, the hood is fine. Maybe this summer I'll take the tags off the door, paint the tags, take the muffler off, and try to paint a section at a time until I get the paint back to normal, because that paint's looking pretty crappy.
Well, that looks purple.
Well, it has different colors. It's pearl. It's got metal flake in it. It has golds, reds, blues.
Okay.
So all depending on which way the light hits it is what color you'll see. Just like I was showing you in the video.
Right, right. Oh, yes. Talk about that channel. What was the name of that channel?
I can't remember the name of the channel. They have 1,400,000 subscribers. They're all about paints, and they do transitioning paints, pearl paints. They do the latest and the greatest of any kind of paint. I wonder if I should go, which way I should go.
Are you going to Princeton?
That's normally where I'd go, but yeah, I'll go to Princeton. But anyway, yeah, it's all about paints, and they do, they do like stuff you'd see on a Hot Wheel where you can take and dip it in cold water and it changes color. They do stuff like that. Just really awesome what they can do with paints today.
Yeah, I wish I'll have to put a link in the channel description about it. I can't think of what the channel name is, but it's pretty cool.
Yeah, I just started watching it last night.
So you just found the channel last night then?
Yeah. So watching all that paint made me interested in buying some paint. Well, my paint didn't have bad paint on it. It didn't have good paint, but the paint wasn't bad.
Speaking of which, look at this. Look at this Big Belly Rebuilds sticker right here.
Yeah, that's Melvin.
That's Melvin. He's
a channel supporter.
Big Belly Rebuilds.
But my paint, neither one of my paints, or all three of my paints had decent paint on them. And this truck here, the hood was repainted, but the rest of the truck is not very good. It's a nice looking truck, even though it's a Freightliner. I don't really like Freightliners. Only thing wrong with the truck really is the paint. And so it don't take a whole lot to bring back your paint. It would if you did it all at one time.